Well, it's kind of a unique morning today. Tori's on film, but she's not alone. She's with James.
Morning.
They've been plagued by the videos, so this is nothing new to them. But going at it this time in the morning is definitely something new to them. You definitely have to talk on camera so everybody can hear your accent at some point.
Okay, I'll talk us through it once they wake up a little bit more.
Understood. You guys need anything else in the house?
Good to go. Let's roll out.
We're gonna go make a family video, I guess. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. It's the last chance, running out. Doing something with these guys. When are you guys leaving? Back to New Zealand?
2 weeks.
May 3rd. May 3rd. Gone for good.
We'll be back for more.
We'll see. More to come.
Looks good.
Alright, we're in the woods. There's turkeys gobbling all around us. And we're hopeful. Right?
Very
You gotta
hopeful.
talk. There's people. There's the whole world here, you know?
I don't know if it's the whole world. It's
Well,
the
it's
whole
my
turkey
whole world. At
Your
least
whole
800
world.
people.
Yeah. Yeah, very hopeful.
So-
I'm still in disbelief you can call in a turkey, so I'm looking forward to being proven wrong.
New Zealand, they just walk over, pick them up, and pet them. So
Yeah.
we're going in. Alright. Let's go. Alright, sounds like we got a taker possibly. See if he keeps coming in. Boom, baby. Hey, what do you think? One down.
I honestly think I moved the camera for a bit of angle, just as he took the shot.
All right, that's a fast turkey hunt.
That's crazy.
Nice shot. That was fun. Did you hear the other ones gobble?
Yeah.
Same time?
Yeah, that's cool.
You could tell one was a lot younger, right?
Yeah. The one that flew off.
At first I thought they were both Jakes, but that was fun.
It's quick. It's got really good.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah. Tori hasn't been out on turkey hunt in a long time, huh?
It's been some time. Then it makes me want to go get a tag.
Right? Yeah. I knew it.
That was so much fun. I have to be honest though, I jumped a little bit when he took the shot.
That's normal. That's what tripods are for. Oh, he's not bad. Got some hooks.
Nice.
Yeah.
He's just small in body for some reason.
Well, look where he's living.
True.
He made it through winter up here.
True. That's a good point.
I plowed off a little bit of beard, but not much. Oh, actually, he's not bad at all. He's a stud. I was trying to make sure I had room to not shit the decoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She looks fine.
And I was trying not to pop that tail, but I think one stray BB clipped it.
Wow. Good job.
Man, I don't know what you guys
Well, there you go.
about.
That's a turkey hunt.
Turkey hunting's easy. You just walk up here and grab them.
Turkey hunting's easy.
Usually it's like a couple good miles,
Yeah.
calling here and there.
Right.
There's
Well, how many miles have I done? 8 miles yesterday.
Yeah, true.
Past few
This
days.
is just-
I'm pretty sure we've only been walking for less than 30 minutes.
yeah. Yeah, beautiful sky.
We'll edit that part out.
Yeah.
Doing this
It's been
for
a long, grueling
hours.
8-hour hunt. We've been out here overnight.
You put on a nice show, though.
Look at these spurs that I've heard so much about.
He's a fine spur bird.
Yeah.
He's not a monster. He's just really good.
Yeah.
He's at least an inch,
So interesting.
and they're hooked, so he's a limb hanger too.
You should go try it.
What is limb hanging
It means if they're long enough, you can put them on a branch, like
Oh,
right
yeah.
here, and it will just hang. Upside
They'll actually hang by the hooks.
Has long enough
So a
spin.
young bird, you could never do that, but a mature bird, you can.
Yeah.
I feel so bad for that Jake.
He's just educated now.
He didn't even really care when he left. He was like, oh, dang it.
That was quick and fun. Finally putting a bird down. My gosh,
Come behind it. If you grab the last two.
that took forever.
Thumb, that's how you
Oh,
fan
you
it out.
did that.
Yeah.
James getting schooled up by the old school pro over there. I got Tori out on a turkey hunt, and James. This is like stunning.
It's a beautiful morning.
It's not even late enough for breakfast yet.
Go home, go have breakfast.
I think we could take another one if we walk down the road.
Yeah, I mean, let's do it.
I don't
Let's
get
go on a
it.
walk.
I'm all for it. We can stay out here for the rest of our lives.
Yeah,
I'm
right?
enjoying this.
Isn't this
Not
crazy?
that's my
We're up
bad,
top of
but-
these mountains.
I gotta get a photo for Dad. That's how you do it, right?
Nice.
We'll
All
set
these-
you up. We'll set you up proper over there with the mountains in the back.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool. It's a beautiful
Very cool.
sunny
Yeah, we got time.
Yeah, I'll grab it.
That was awesome.
That was
I'm glad you gobbled one last time before coming in. That was a good gobble.
It was a
Yeah.
loud go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one, I was all squeaking. I didn't want to make too much noise. I knew they were probably coming down that road.
Mm-hmm.
But I was like, hope I didn't put the
It
decoy
was
out
literally
of range.
perfect too. I was like, oh, it's just gonna. From at least
Yeah.
where they're gobbling, these
For
things
you
just
guys,
come right
you
in.
must have seen them coming in nicely.
Yeah.
I can see them for a bit. Yeah.
Coming
I was
down the road.
slightly cut off by the bush and scrub over there.
Which is probably good, actually, because he didn't see the decoy yet. And he would have been looking around and might have
Yeah.
pegged it.
Oh, yeah.
I
was-
wanted to say like, there's no wind or anything, so like, don't move. But
Yeah.
No, I was staying so still. I didn't even swallow that whole time. I like slowly had like, I didn't want my neck movement to scare it or anything. I don't want to scare it, and then John look over there and go,
James,
take you out one time.
No, I heard at least
Your
4 more
first
in the
one.
distance. I wasn't too worried.
yeah, true. It's a nice area.
Oh, yeah.
It's beautiful.
I came here in this area maybe 3 years ago, and I stood here and I said, this would be a great place to kill a turkey, but I've never had it yet till now.
There you go.
Oh, yeah,
So-
I was gonna say, I came out.
Because I just looked, I'm like, this
It's
is
almost
so
That's
like
what I
it's
pretty
been
said
here.
when we
made
first
for it.
walked out. I was like, this is a nice area.
Yeah.
just nice and open.
It becomes very turkeyish as you go deeper. It's like this.
Wow.
Old growth,
Wow.
which is rare to find these days.
It looks
Not
a
real
bit.
long, but it's nice and brushy.
Yeah, you might have chopped it off a bit. It looks
I
like
did,
very,
just a tiny bit,
yeah.
but it gave me an opportunity. The gun was getting heavy.
Yeah,
Like,
fair enough.
you're not going to be eating the beard later on.
Nah.
There's been some
I
times
don't
we
keep
sat
them
there with the
anymore.
gun, was it coming in, and it's just like, it's like almost a half an hour of you just sitting there. It's just
So your arms
going
about
back
to
and
fall
forth.
off.
Right.
That's cool.
Right. Yeah.
Sweet.
It all
Proof is in the limb. He's definitely a limb hanger. A little over an inch. We can measure him, but I'm going to say he's about 1 1/8 inches with some nice pointy hooks. It's got a good curvature to him. Nice solid branch. It's still beautiful. Turkeys are still gobbling, so we're just going to see if we can pluck another one out of the woods. What do you think? Tori gives thumbs up. America.
Yeah, put it in your pack.
Nope. We'll just walk a little ways and make some calls if you really want to. We didn't get to see any of this, but you got to see one of the prettiest parts of the view here, so I guess if that's good enough. Yeah, that's what I thought. 21.2.
Oh.
21.12. Come read it. I can't really see it that well. I looked at them up and I was like, geez, man, that's heavy.
21.1.
21.1.
Mhm.
21.1 on the scale. That's heavier than I expected. He had a big old chest on him, so. Yeah, you can see right here. I chopped that section right off.
That's nice that they're still so heavy after the winter.
Might be heard those gobble down the floor.
You heard it?
Yeah.
I thought I heard something, but it wasn't sure.
just notable.
Right.
Barely.
Yeah. My ear's still getting in.
What a beautiful morning. Alright, we just got another one gobbling. Sound like 2 more. Nice young bird. And my phone is turning itself on. Let's see if they'll gobble again. We might have to run. He's coming.
That's a really good spot. Have you got a good angle? See, I'm gonna get too tight.
Just find a spot right there. It's good. Alright, here we go again. We're going to use the decoy and the tom. Get off my. He's still over there. More chicks. They're even younger than the other ones.
That's a nice car.
If this guy keeps coming, we'll be fine. Get out of here. Get out of here. Stupid. Get out of here. Get out of here. There he is. Don't move. Don't move. I think it's chicks again. Yep. Same ones. Don't get any better than this. Cartage. Game's getting the full experience.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Drop. Looks good.
All right, we're in the woods. There's turkeys gobbling all around us, and we're hopeful. Right?
Very hopeful.
You gotta talk. There's
Yeah.
people. There's the whole world here, you know.
I don't know if it's the whole world. It's
Well,
the
it's
whole
my whole
turkey
world. At
Your
least
whole
800
world.
people.
Yeah. Yeah. Very hopeful.
So-
I'm still in disbelief. You can call in a turkey, so I'm looking forward to being proven wrong.
In New Zealand, they just walk over, pick them up, and pet them. So
Yeah.
we're going in.